Hello everyone, welcome to Food and Drink channel. This is Santosh.
And I'm Priya.
If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below and also press the bell icon to receive notifications.
We all love the Indian fried bajis, bondas, vadas, pakodas and whatnot. So today I thought of making something yummy and simple. A snack for everyone which can be enjoyed anytime. It's called Goli baji, and to make this you will need 1 cup maida, 1 cup curd, half teaspoon of soda, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 onion, some coriander and 2 green chilies. Finely chop the onion, green chilies and coriander. Next, in a bowl, add all the ingredients and add about 3/4 cup of water and mix well. Sorry, I missed to add the jeera, so I'm adding it now. Now our batter is ready. Do not make it too liquid as the onion will leave some water. We now need to rest this mixture for about 30 to 45 minutes. We are now ready to fry the Goli bajis. Heat some oil in a frying pan to deep fry the bajis. Take small quantity of the batter and deep fry on medium flame. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry till the bajis turn golden brown. It's now all ready to eat. Serve it hot with the choice of your chutney or sauce. I'm going to serve this with some peanut chutney.
As you have seen, this is a very simple recipe and it's easy to make. Please do try this at home. And as usual, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you. See you in the next one.
If you click my face right here, you can subscribe. Yes, that's right. Click my face, subscribe, guys. It helps me out, helps you out. Then you don't miss an upload. And hopefully I can meet you when I come to your city.